Listen, I know I'm going against Dave Ramsey's teaching about debt, but I've got the Apple credit card here. So let's get right into the video. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Anthony here. Today we've got the Apple credit card and we're going to open it and activate it. Let's discuss the Apple credit card real quick before we open this bad boy up. So the Apple credit card is a 3-2-1 type of card, according to Apple's website. You get 3% cash back on everything Apple and a few other unique brands like Exxon Mobil, to Panera Bread, to Nike footwear. Now, you also get 2% cash back every single time you use the Apple credit card through Apple Pay. And finally, you get 1% cash back every time you use the Apple Titanium card. Now, this is what we're going to be discussing today and opening, unboxing, and activating. So, of course, just like every other Apple product, there's a little arrow as to where you need to open this thing. I'm gonna rip that open. Ooh. So now the big reveal. Boom, one open. Oh, you have to pull it out. All right, so this is the Apple card. This is beautiful though. This is clean. It shows on the back Apple's address out in California. I doubt you're gonna be able to see it. It's really small, even for me. Shows it's in recycled packaging. So let's open it up and get a first look. You guys are going to see it before me. That, my friends, is the Apple card. It is beautiful. I absolutely love this thing. We'll take the card out after we activate it. On the card, it shows activate here. It says where to put your phone and all of said information. So let's go ahead and unlock my iPhone 11 Pro Max, which I will be doing a video on, so make sure you are subscribed so that you don't miss that. So it literally just says hold iPhone here to activate card. So, well, let's do that. Boom. Shows right there to activate the new Apple card, which is really interesting. I'm gonna keep my phone there and I'm going to hit activate. It shows that it is currently activating and the card is already ready. The card is ready to go. So I'm gonna hit continue. It's gonna go through customer agreement. Look at that, beautiful. And that's it. The Apple card is activated. Now let's take this beauty out. Oh my goodness, holy crap. This thing is solid. This thing is really, really solid. Wow. So this is the Apple card. It is beautiful. It's got your first name and last name on the front with a metal cut out Apple logo. That is just beautiful. It's got your little chip on the front, and then it's got Goldman Sachs, which is the one who does the cards, and MasterCard sitting on the back. Man, oh man, with your little like swipe strip on the back that's metal. That is gorgeous. Goodness gracious. Yo, I gotta bang this on something. So that's the Apple card. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, hit like, comment, and subscribe with those bell notifications on so you don't miss a single video. It's your boy Anthony. I got the Apple card. I'm in debt, and I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.